All right, so lovely Saturday morning. Got Shawn from Worldwide here. This BMW was at the dyno day that we did last fall, and Shawn's acquired the car through the guy, just happenstance, I guess. What'd you do to it since then? Because it made pretty good power back then, but it definitely had some issues.
So I've changed the high pressure fuel pump and the wastegate solenoids.
Yeah.
So was hitting lit mode before.
Yeah, and that's what the dyno graph showed before, which is here. I believe this is a stage 2 run. Made a whole buttload of torque and then lit mode. So I drove the car on the dyno last year and I remember it. So stage 2's in it now?
Stage 2's in it now. No more lit mode. Let's see what it does.
All right. Let's look at the graph. That's the pull from last fall. Yeah, so it actually spun tighter a little bit, so it probably made more torque. But look over here, you got all this.
All this extra.
Yeah, all this extra. So
All this extra.
it's a lot healthier now that it's got proper fuel.
And wastegates.
Yeah, and wastegates.
That helps.
Yeah. So this goes to show you have to do proper maintenance. You have to do proper maintenance on your performance car because it's worth a lot of power.
You take care of it, it'll take care of you.
Yeah.
Yeah.